Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, October 1st, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through two packages that will make browsing and coding in Cincom Smalltalk a lot more pleasant. Let's go to the parcel manager and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If I bring this into the view, we'll go to Popular. I've already loaded these in to save a little time. Autocomplete gives you auto-completion of messages, so as you start typing at any time you can hit Tab and it'll give you all the possible completions of that message. And RB code highlighting, that gives you color syntax highlighting. I've already loaded those in, so let's bring up a browser, bring this into the view. I've created a class to demonstrate what's going on here. So I've created three instance variables, stream, var1, and var2. Notice how they're black and not undefined, whereas if I were to start typing something new here, like let's say foo : string blah. Now notice how it notices that this is a literal, but that's red because foo has not been declared, whereas if I start doing this, FOO, and put it in brackets, suddenly it recognizes, oh, it's a temporary variable, and it puts it into this italic format. Now, let's say that I wanted this to be a stream over that string foo. So I'll say foo, READS, hit Tab, and notice how it starts bringing in possible matches. If I put next to the T, it narrows it down and say, oh, this is the one I really want. I could keep typing, or I can just select the one I want, and it'll give it to me right there. Now, notice how that's syntax highlighted. If I put a 1 there, and then I come down here and let's leave this as, oh, I don't know, let's make that a character, $5. So you can see those are all literals. I hit Control S, it compiles it, but it leaves the literals like this, temp var in italics, and this for the reserved word, so you can see just at a glance how this thing is working. Now, if you want to take a look at the preferences you have for some of this stuff, let's go to System, Settings, and if you go down to the browser, you see underneath there, there's highlighter. You can do some enabling of all highlighting, ignore exceptions during highlighting, the refresh delay, and you can get down here and get some more. So code source, what it's going to actually highlight, the styles. You can actually change the color. So you can come down here and say, well, this should really be this color, underlined, colored. You can change any of these things to any way you want. So this gives you variable styles. You can just pick one, you can save it. So once you've defined one, you can save it out and then be able to reload it. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.